Hi everyone, this is Yonghui. Now I'm going to share my experience of my Incentive Spirometer device and the Roomstation device in my final project. First, I want to introduce my Incentive Spirometer, which I made. As it shown here, we can see it's made by one Arduino chip, one OLED display, and in this container here, it's made by one mouthpiece and one plastic button. In this button, they already have one sensors for the pressure, one sensors for the temperature and humidity. And for the room station, I put this case in the paper box as the case, and then as they show here, it also made by one Arduino chip, one OLED display, and 3 sensors here for the brightness, temperature, humidity, and the pressure. Now I'm going to introduce the user process. First, for the patient, they need to set the room station into their house or room or just next to you, which that means it can capture the environmental data and capture the weather station from the weather informations from the API. And we can see here it's showing the focus weather. Actually, I can restart it. And at the very first beginning page, it is the loading page to show the state of the connection to the Wi-Fi and the API cloud. Now we can put it next to you. And then for the Incentive Spirometer's kit device here, at the very beginning page, we can see the I can restart it. It also can show the loading page. And this beginning page is show the value of the pressure and the status of the how much speed you blow. And there is a process bar here to show you directly. And this part, the yellow color number here is showing the how much time you blow the practice. And this part of yellow number show the goal and the schedule that you need to reach. And this data is captured from the cloud or IoT cloud. And now I will get the camera closer to the OLED display. Now for the patient, I will blow it and hold the mouthpiece tightly with my lips. And different speed of my blow and breathe, it will show different status of my blow. So first I will show the lowest blow, which speed is very slow, and it will show the good status here. That's mean very slow. So next I will show the second value of my blow, which is mean better, but not best. You can see the status here changing to the better. That means it's not good or not bad. And now I'm blow it as deep as I can and make it the best blowing speed. yeah, that means now the speed is the best. And then now I'm going to show the hardest bit. That means I blow it too hard, and it will also tell you it's too hard, so you need to slow down your breath. You can see the status here, like showing that speed is very high and telling you need to calm down. Hi everyone, now I'm back to the Roomstation here. As it showed the very beginning page here, it shows the time, the date here, and the second page it shows the current weather station, which status and information captured from the Open Weather Map API. It shows the PM 2.5 and the weather there. And we can see the second page is the focus weather. It shows like the next 3 days weather, showing the weathers, temperatures. And at the bottom here, the yellow part is show the temperatures and the time. Now I'm going to share my screen about my code of incentive spirometers in my Arduino IDE. And here is the function about the published message, package message in JSON string, and then change the type of string to the type chart array, and then use the publish function and publish the message to the MQTT topic we're gonna publish. And then we are going to my node here, and this node is subscribed the node station and subscribe from the spirometer, and there is a function here to make some SQL language, and then do some SQL into my Postgres SQL database here. And there is a dashboard here, we can also check it. And we can also do some update exercise schedule here and publish to my spirometers device. And here is the message and message of the payload. And each time they receive the message, they will do some SQL language like insert and update the data. And next we're going to share my Specification platform here, which will help us to do some manual analyze, and also can track our data chart here. And as this screen show here, this is the title's name of this channel is called HIDE Spirometers, and this full chart is showing the Roomstation's data. The first one is temperature, this one humidity and light, atmosphere's pressure, and the last three chart here is showing the spirometers temperature, humidity, and the pressures here. We can check each time what the pressure is, what the humidity is, and the temperature is. And in the future where we can do some mathematical analyze here, and we also can do some data import and export here. Now I'm going to share my database, which I built in the Progress SQL. And first I'm showing the temperature tables about the room stations. And then we can check the spirometer data from the spirometer device and run it. We can check it here. And then we also can check the spirometer device ID here.